Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Monique Chantal Latoya, and you're watching Mo's Agenda. And on the agenda for today, I am traveling to Japan from Atlanta on a 14-hour flight with my toddler and my newborn, my mom and dad, and my husband. So I am just going to take you through every hour of this flight, which is what I'm saying in this clip. Okay, so quick mommy traveler tip. Always have headphones for your kids, your toddler, your baby. It definitely helps with the ear popping. We had no problems on this flight. Just took these out from the last bag. Hopefully this one smells better. We'll see. And then we get a pillow and a blanket. We're not going to die. Okay, so right here, I'm just taking a little sippy sip of my ginger ale, but you're going to notice that I keep checking on something. It's our baby. She's on a bassinet on the floor. I know it sounds crazy. Oh, and these were some crackers, some little cheese garlic biscuit crackers they gave us. It wasn't the best, but I think we were just hungry, so I definitely bust them down. But anyway, so yeah, we keep checking on baby because she's on a bassinet, on the floor, because we thought it would be helpful while she was sleeping. We didn't have to be holding her because it is a long flight. We later did take her up probably like an hour and a half into the flight, 2 hours, because it was just giving me paranoia. And I'm not trying to be paranoid for 14 hours. But part of the reason too was because her head was like right below our toddler, and it's like, what if she got up? What if she got excited? What if she spills a drink? What do you know? It's like all these things.
Hi, what am I getting you to drink, please?
Ginger ale.
Yes.
Thank you.
And what are you having, ma'am? Black tea or green tea?
Black tea, please. Thank you.
Can you put this stuff on yours? I'm paranoid.
Yeah.
Can you put the juice on yours? I'm getting
Like ice or no
paranoid.
ice, my dear?
Ice or no ice?
No ice, please, but not a lot. I don't want none of that drink spilling on my baby when she wakes up. Oh, you ain't getting no white
Your tray
rags.
table out?
Thank you.
Well, folks, again from the flight deck, we turn the seatbelt sign off at this time. You are free to move about the aircraft. However, we do ask while you're seated, please keep your seatbelts fastened. Okay, don't up it. Double is my max, okay?
Okay, so this is our little lunch dinner situation. I had got beef something with string beans and mashed potatoes. This also came with like a little dessert and salad and some crackers. We did end up waking Millie up so she can eat. We got her the chicken just because it was there go baby in the bassinet. Ugh, uncomfortable. But yeah, just because it was an early flight and no one ate.
This is cute.
Okay, so the food is decent. I did end up trading with my husband, but we're here for every hour on a 14-hour flight with a toddler and a newborn. I gave you guys a whole mukbang. So I would say for the first 4 hours, I was asleep with baby, and Millie and her dad were just watching shows, but she was pretty calm, didn't give any trouble, just chilled. And then when Melody and I woke up, that is when Millie and her dad went to sleep. And then she was asleep for a good 4, 5 hours. I want to say in total, she probably slept a good 7 to 9 hours on this flight. Yeah, I'm going to say about that. And then Melody, she was good. When she was up, she was just chilling until she got hungry. Oh, this is our mid-flight snack, which was a pizza twist. It was okay. It was decent. Then towards the end, around 4 hours left, that's when Millie woke up, and that's when she was really active. But she wasn't really concerned with the TV. She didn't want tablet or none of that. She played with her little bear. If you guys saw her hugging that up earlier. Also, Dad and I switched. It was his turn for baby. But yeah, Millie was good. She bothered her grandma for a little bit, and then she went back to her seat and was trying to watch TV, but she did so good. I'm proud of her. She did have some toddler moments. You know, toddlers will toddler, not gonna lie. But she did so good, like I mean like kicking the seat in front of her, and we have to be very mindful of that because I don't like that. I don't want nobody to say nothing to my child or to me. So we are always like, don't do that, don't do that. You know, she listens for the most part, but then, you know, kids get restless. Also, she was standing up in the chair at one point, but that's okay because I feel like if the seatbelt sign is off, just let her live. Then towards the end, we got breakfast, which was good. It was decent, but I just wish they would have served it a little bit earlier before landing because landing was a little shaky. We in Tokyo. Yes. No pictures in the elevator. I'll be back.